There is a moment in life that almost everyone remembers, your very first place. It started with a dream of your very own home, and then one day you get the keys in your hand, and it's no longer a dream. You're not just moving into an apartment, you're moving into your next chapter of life. For the very first time, you unlock the door to a home that belongs to you. The rooms are empty, but it's all yours to style piece by piece. And then the work begins, one box at a time. Your empty home starts out as a blank canvas, with boxes everywhere, and things without a place yet can feel overwhelming. Your first meal could be takeout on the floor, surrounded by a tower of boxes. Maybe you have a game night with friends, and the memories begin before the decorating even begins. Your bed may even start off being a mattress on the floor before everything comes together. Calming luxury isn't just about the items that help design your home. It's more about how your home makes you feel. Nobody tells you how much the little details matter. Even things as simple as a wastebasket, paper towels, and even cleaning supplies help bring your first place together. Once you're ready to start preparing meals in your new home, you'll need to get kitchen supplies, such as pots and pans, cooking and eating utensils. When space is limited, choose items that can help you free up space, such as a coffee table or an ottoman to use for storage, or even a small folding tray for eating meals. By choosing multi-purpose furniture, such as a sofa that is also a bed, or an extra space for guests to sleep, somehow the apartment becomes bigger than it looks. It's not about glamorous furniture, but more about choosing the right pieces for your home that make it livable, comfortable, and calming. Choosing items like a beautifully designed daybed can be a calming luxury in the daytime and a peaceful rest at night for small spaces. Most people think luxury means expensive. Some of the best affordable pieces can be found in places like a thrift store to create calm, luxurious home designs. You could find unique pieces that are rich with history, such as an elegant lamp, a warm wood dresser, or even a cozy vintage chair to create a soft, luxurious home. The biggest calming luxury transformation isn't furniture, it's lighting. Using lamps for soft lighting and candles for a warm glow makes your home feel cozy, peaceful, and inviting. After a long day, You want to come home to a peaceful space, leaving the noise of the world outside. There's something about listening to the rain tapping softly against the window, and candles softly glowing, with a warm cup of tea and a good book that makes you feel cozy and calm. As the evening settles in, the balcony becomes a quiet escape. And when soft lights are glowing, the air feels lighter, and for a moment the world slows down. Sometimes the simplest spaces create the greatest sense of peace. Soft, calming luxury isn't excess. It's knowing where things belong, opening a drawer or a cabinet and finding exactly what you need. Walking into a room that feels calm, not crowded, not overwhelming, just peacefully designed. Even the smallest entryway can create a warm welcome. Thoughtful storage for shoes, bags, and everyday essentials keeps small spaces organized, making the space feel open and inviting. Eventually, the boxes disappear. Your routine settles in, and little by little, piece by piece, your first place starts to come together and starts feeling like home. Soft, calming luxury isn't about having more space or filling every corner with more things. It's the feeling of peacefully resting and waking up in a home that feels calm and serene. Calming luxury is found in the glow of a lamp, a cozy chair, or any space in your home, where you feel the comfort of knowing you're exactly where you belong. Your first place doesn't have to be perfect, nor does it have to look like everyone else's. It should simply be a reflection of you and your style. A home should be a place that is built thoughtfully, with each piece coming together little by little. Try to create a sanctuary that welcomes you home and quiets your mind. As you bring your first place to life with calming luxury pieces. Remember, the best luxury is creating a home that gives you a little more peace every time you walk through the door.